Is a persistent cough killing you? Is it hindering your precious sleep, or creating an embarrassing situation in the middle of a meeting? Are over-the-counter medicines not effective enough? Then it's time to go for the ultimate weapon to combat the problem, the lemon and honey combination. Watch on this video to know all about this quick and useful hack. Benefits of honey and lemon for cough. Honey and lemon combination is a traditional cure for treating cough and has gained a fair credibility in the medical community. Individually, each ingredient has its own power to treat a cough, and when used in combination, the benefits double, giving guaranteed results. Just what we need for a stubborn cough. Let's look at the individual prowess of each ingredient of this wonderful combination first. Properties of honey. Honey contains antibacterial properties that help in getting rid of the harmful cough-causing bacteria. It is loaded with vital nutrients such as potassium. It also contains calcium, manganese, phosphorus, and copper. The body needs these minerals for normal and healthy functioning. The presence of such nutrients in honey helps repair and stimulate tissue growth. These nutrients also serve as antioxidants and eliminate the harmful free radicals from the body. High-quality honey contains very low water content, and hence easily attracts the surrounding tissues to use water. Properties of lemon. Lemon needs no introduction and is known to be one of the citrus fruits that are rich in vitamin C. A glass of lemon juice provides 1/3 of the daily recommended allowance of this vitamin. Vitamin C is known to help the body build up the immune system. The antioxidants assist in repairing and preventing cell damage. Lemons have strong antibacterial and antiviral properties. Why is the combination of honey and lemon effective against a cough? The sweetness of honey stimulates the salivary glands and induces the release of the mucus through the airways. Moreover, the antimicrobial and antioxidant effect of honey restricts the further formation of the mucus, thereby providing complete relief from coughing. On the other hand, lemon helps to increase immunity against these infections, and when you drink the concoction of hot water, lemon and honey, it loosens mucus, calms the throat, and clears the irritating airways. I hope these tips can help you. Do you know any other effective remedies which for you? Please share with us. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos.